part 2. Yeah, I don't know, I had to free up some space. I think that's why I just cut off the recording. That was weird. But yeah, so with our examples, it passes. But where does it start? So it's going to start here at this point. So if grid row column equals return true, and where we're calling is closed, only here. So, okay, so then we're going to spread here, and then we're going to go, and then spread here, and it's like, oh, okay, shit, that's a 0. First part of this if statement is true. Let's check if it's closed in. If row and column equals 1, return true. Well, if row, what did we set row to? Is row just the index? Oh, this is just checking if it's out of bounds. Yeah. Okay. So it's not out of bounds, or not out of bounds, not out of bounds, or on the edge. Okay. That makes sense. So row is less than 0. So right, if it's like over here, or if it's on the edge here, or I mean if it's here or it's on the edge here, you know, because this is like row greater than or equal to nr minus 1, which is going to be 3, because it's length 3, so it's 0, 1, 2, so 3 minus 1 is 2, or something, you know, whatever, something like that. So then we set this 0 to 1, and then we're checking, okay, is the one above, is that equal to 1? Boom, true. Oh, because it's not, so it's not going to return here, so it's not true. We're just going to set it to 1, and then we're going to check, okay, if we do row plus 1, is that a 1? If we do row minus 1, is that a 1? If we do column minus 1, oh shit, I'm doing it backwards. If we do row plus 1, yeah, okay, that makes, yeah, row plus 1, is that a 1? Yes. If we do row minus 1, is that a row 1? Yes. If we do column minus 1, is that a 1? Yes. If we do column plus 1, is that a yes? Or is that a 1? Yes. And then you're returning up and left and right and down. Just because you have to run it. Okay, I like that. I like the solution. That makes a lot of sense to me. Yo, shout out whoever that was. I think I shouted him out in the last video. This is part 2. Yeah, it's super fast, because the time complexity here should be just O of n times n. You know, however big your grid is. Yeah. And you're not having to run this, you know, the whole part, like all this, every time. So, cool. Well, yeah, bummer that's a 2-part video. I don't know why, but sweet. See y'all.